Northwest Regional Traffic, November 5217 Delta, entering runway 35 for departure into the pattern, Northwest Regional Traffic. Denton Tower, November 5217 Delta, approaching for full stop on runway 35 at 2,100 feet. Just departed 52 Foxtrot, inbound for landing.
Cessna Fox 17 Delta, roger, make straight in, runway 36 left, report a 4-mile final.
Make straight in, runway 36 left, report 4-mile final, 17 Delta. Denton Tower, 17 Delta, 4-mile final, 36 left.
Number 17 Delta, change yours, runway 36 right. Your traffic is on a mile final.
36 right, 17 Delta, acknowledged.
So 17 Delta, runway 36 right, clear to land.
36 right, clear to land for 17 Delta, thank you. Denton ground, November 5217 Delta, advise to parking.
5217 Delta, here for the coffee group get together.
Yes, sir.
17 Delta, taxi left on Alpha, right on Bravo.
Left on Alpha, right on Bravo, 17 Delta. Ground 17 Delta at USJ Center looking for departure VFR via the active southbound. A little bit of turbulence, gets a bit bumpy from time
Traffic
to
Mall
time.
71 Hotel, final 35, full stop.